What's up guys, you're watching another video. So that is the new color for the GTR, guys. Finally, we're revealing it. I know it's been forever. It felt like forever. It's been like 2 weeks, but you guys have been going crazy in the comments, asking me when I'm dropping it, when I'm revealing it. But finally, we're revealing it today. I hope you guys like the color as much as I do. This color is crazy. I've only seen it on one car, and that's Alex Choi's Lamborghini in person. I've seen a couple GTRs on the internet, but I don't think there's one in SoCal, so I might be the first one in SoCal. As soon as I seen this color at SEMA last year, in November, I ordered the wrap right away, guys. So in November, I ordered this wrap. It's been like 7 to 8 months. It's been forever, bro. It's a special edition color from Innosatech. It's called Celestial Unicorn. It's literally like a unicorn wrap, bro. They call it unicorn because unicorns are like purple pink, like the little emoji. But I honestly think it's like a unicorn wrap, bro. Like, you don't see this. You don't see unicorns. You don't really see this color anywhere, bro. And the amount of attention this car gets now is literally like you look at a unicorn, bro. Everybody looks, guys, no matter if you're a small little kid, an old adult, a girl, a guy, anybody looks, bro. If you're into cars, if you're not into cars, you're gonna look at this car no matter what, because the color is insane. It changes all different shades of colors. There's blue, there's pink, there's yellow, there's green. Throughout the day, it just changes different colors, so it's freaking awesome. I love it. GTRs already get a lot of attention. Then you put this wrap on it, now it gets even double the attention. Then you put a BMX bike on the roof that's matching, now it gets triple the attention. Everybody comment down below, what do you guys think of the new color? What do you think of the new wrap on the GTR? I think it looks amazing. We went from red to black, and now we're this bright unicorn color. I wanted to do something like the Tiffany blue M3, guys. You guys remember the E92 I had? Everywhere I went, everyone stopped and talked about the car, and that's exactly what I wanted to do with this car. Everyone thought I was doing midnight purple. That was the most common comment and guess that everyone guessed was midnight purple. It's kind of like a midnight purple, a little bit, but not really. This wrap was the most expensive wrap I've ever done, guys, by the way. Just to give you guys an example, regular wrap is like 500 bucks for a roll. This wrap was 1,500 bucks.
What's the price of the wrap?
I'm gonna tell him. This is the most expensive wrap I've ever done on my car. On any car, bro. $1,500 for the roll. I think because it's like a special edition color, but I had to do it. That's why you don't really see many of these colors, because I think it's just very expensive. And also today, the merch shop is live, guys. Shop FindingNick.com. We got new t-shirts, new hoodies, and new stickers. And it literally matches the wrap perfectly. We got the FN Distinct Vinyl, my wrap company. It matches the car perfect, bro. Look at it. We got yellow, pink, blue. And here's the hoodie. We got Unicorn Zilla under, like I said. The wrap name. We got this little cool GTR font. The Nissan GTR is a high performance sports car that is grand. It's like the definition of the GTR, which is pretty sick. And we got the GTR obviously in the unicorn color wrap. Got the FN Distinct Vinyl. And then we got stickers too, guys. These stickers literally match the car perfectly. I took a picture today at the gas station. I'll throw it on the screen right here, but it matches the wrap perfect. Like, I don't know how the graphic designer got it perfectly, but the color's dead spot on to the car, bro. Like, literally matches the car perfectly. And like I said in the last video, I can't wait to see you guys rocking this merch in person. And I told you, if I see you rocking this merch in person, I'm gonna give you a ride in the GTR, I promise. I'm gonna give you a ride in the GTR if I see you with this merch on. So go cop the merch, shopfindingnick.com. And guys, the first 20 people who place an order on the merch shop, 20 people, that's all I'm doing, guys, because I only have a little bit of this wrap left. But first 20 people, I'm gonna throw in a piece of that wrap into your guys' order. So you guys will get a piece of the wrap.
19 spots left.
19 spots, he's already booking it, see? So yeah, guys, the first 20 orders is gonna get a piece of the vinyl wrap that we put on this car. The $1,500 vinyl wrap. You guys about to get 100 bucks of vinyl. This design's a little different. We got like the palm trees. It's actually bringing it back from the E92 vibe. A little bit different, so you guys can cop both if you want, the hoodie and the t-shirt. The fronts both are the same. Clean little FN in the front that matches the car. I hope you guys like the merch. I hope you guys like the wrap. And like I said, shopfindingnick.com if you guys want to grab one of these stickers, one of these hoodies, or one of these t-shirts. Isn't this crazy how the brakes match the car perfect? I tried to hint it a little bit, but we did the brakes to match the wrap. We did the brakes first, and look, it literally dead on spots the wrap. It matches the wrap perfectly. I don't know how I got it perfect, but it matches the wrap perfect, bro. That's why everyone thought I was doing midnight purple, but look, it matches this wrap even better than midnight purple. And look, we even got the bike to match. I wrapped the bike, so it did not come out good at all. I'll post a vlog about that soon, but the wrap on the bike did not come out good. The wrap on the car though came out amazing. And also I want to give a huge shout out to the homie Henry. He came all the way from New York, as you guys seen, to wrap my GTR for me. So shout out to him. When I went out to New York, I told him I wanted to do this collab with him, and he was down. So it worked out perfectly. He flew down here, he got the car wrapped, and I'm so freaking excited. I cannot be happier, bro. Everyone go follow Henry at Project One. I'll leave his Instagram right here. By the way, tomorrow, guys, Saturday, I'm gonna be at South OC Cars and Coffee with the homie Hugo. Hugo's coming all the way from Fresno. I think David might pull up too, and if F80. So we're all gonna cruise down to South OC Cars and Coffee to reveal the wrap. If you guys wanna see the color in person, go to that car meet. It's gonna be lit. And like always, the merch is super limited, so go grab them right now before they sell out. They're gonna sell out. Only have a few t-shirts, a few hoodies, and like 100 stickers, bro. That's it. So go grab the merch as fast as you guys can. First 20 people get a piece of the wrap. Look who showed up, guys. We got Hugo, David in the F80. This is the first time Hugo's ever seen it. Oh, he's about to hit it like the Mustang.
Yeah, like last time. Remember with the Mustang? Oh my god, this shit is
fire, huh? The color?
It actually goes hard.
Damn, everyone got M3s but me now, guys.
Oh my god.
We lucky could bring the E46 and we all have M3s.
I know. Oh, this shit is hard. Like just seeing you pull up, I was just
If I did bring my E46, it would be E46, E92, and then an F80. It's so sick.
I want to drive it.
We need one, Hugo.
You know I need to get one next.
Alright guys, we're about to get Hugo's reaction to the wrap. He has not seen it. He just got here from Fresno. Just drove 4 hours, bro. Look what time he got here. 1 in the morning, bro. And he's barely getting here, but we're about to show him the wrap and get his reaction. The last time Hugo seen it was black.
Bro, it looks insane.
It looks crazy, huh?
Oh my god.
It's way different in pictures, huh?
Bro, there's no way. Yeah, it looks hella crazy. Bro, this is insane.
It stands out so much.
Oh, this shit looks so hard.
But it's already dirty. I just washed it again today.
Look how hard it looks though.
It's crazy, huh?
It goes perfect with the brakes too.
It's gold. Like, it even looks like David's car, honestly.
Guys. Like I knew the color, but in person it hits different. Just seeing the GTR and everything.
I know.
Yeah, it looks crazy.
I'm telling you, guys see it driving, bro, on the freeway? What, that was me when I got my tattoo?
I know you see it.
You showing it to everyone? I told you I was gonna get one. Then the plates that Adrian did?
Oh yeah.
Looks like him.
You put them on?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one.
We should do the E92 in that color. And the F80.
Hey, that'd be dope.
If all three had that, bro. Oh yeah, $1,500 on the roll though, I don't know.
I'll pay my car.
Look, we did this again too, the little FN.
No, but it goes perfect with the brakes.
I know the brakes match perfectly, but yeah, guys, I don't think I mentioned this. Look, we put the FN on the gas cap again. It looks sick, bro. Look how sparkly it is too.
Bro, it's crazy. It actually looks like crazy ass paint job, bro.
I know. I was at the gas station and some guy was like, "Oh my god, that paint job is sick," and I was like, "Thanks." I didn't even tell him it was rap. Alright guys, so Saturday we are going to Cars and Coffee tomorrow. Cars and Coffee San Clemente, so be there. You better see the E92, the F80, and the GTR, and the dirt bike. Stop.
Kevin the dirt bike.
I gotta show you the wrap on the BMX bike. Go look at it. You can see how bad the wrap is.
Your wrap job? This is your wrap job, right?
No. I wrapped the car. Henry wrapped the bike. I'm just kidding. Look at this
What?
shit.
There's no way.
Bro, the wrap on the bike is actually embarrassing. Like, it's kind of sad. But from far away, it looks good.
Those are your skills, though.
I can't wait till you guys see this car, but anyways.
This thing's a chameleon, bro.
A chameleon?
Yeah.
I love it, and I can't wait for you guys to see it, bro. It's gonna be sick. And go cop the merch right now. ShopFindingNick.com. It's the first link down below. We got hoodies, t-shirts, and stickers.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Bro, that shit is
Crazy.
Oh!
Like a flash.
Oh no. How'd that happen, Kim? Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow.